Good night. Futuro perfect and futuro continuous. January. I will have learned English by the end of English class. I will be visiting my parents in Uala, Cundinamarca. February. I will be starting classes at the university. We will be visiting my brother at his home. March. We will be playing soccer in the championship with friends. I will be working in the city of Medellin with my college. April. I will be going to Mass in the Holy Week. I will be resting at home for a week. March. We will be celebrating my husband's birthday. We will be eat meat the first weekend of the month. June. We will be celebrating my birthday. We will buying the tickets for the trip to the beach. July. We will be traveling to the island of San Andres. We will be traveling to the coffee region of Antioquia. August. We will have flown kids in the park. We will be celebrating the birthday of my brother and my niece. September. We will be celebrating 10 years of marriage with my husband. We will be starting the volleyball tournament. October. We will be collect lots of candy on Halloween. I will be dancing at the costume party with my friends. November. I will be dancing at my best friend's birthday party. I will accompany my mother to the doctor's appointment. And December, I will be lighting the Christmas candles with my family. I will be giving gifts to my family at Christmas. Thanks.